Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock ticker symbol TSLA, in anticipation of the upcoming trading days. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades. Now let's get started. I'll start off by analyzing the stock in a general way real quick. Tesla opened at $581.60 and closed at $606.44 on Monday, May 24, 2021. The lowest price it reached on the last trading day was $573.65, while the highest price it reached the last trading day was $614.48. The 52-week high on this stock is $900.40, while the 52-week low is $157. The Tesla stock price gained 4.4% on Monday, May 24, 2021, from $580.88 to $606.44. During the day, the stock fluctuated 7.11% from a day low at $573.65 to a day high of $614.48. Volume has increased on the last day by 9 million shares, and in total 34,480,000 shares were bought and sold. Tesla stock price prediction for the upcoming days. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.